This right here is Mark. He's a high performing leader, smart, experienced, but he feels stuck. Mark isn't afraid of AI. Hello, not at all. Mark reads blogs on AI, he refers to reports, he uses ChatGPT and Gemini kind of tools occasionally, but he's still afraid of something. He's afraid of falling behind. And that fear of so much information being out there is keeping him paralyzed. And Mark isn't alone. Leaders everywhere are drowning in AI information overload. They are not understanding how to use the most of it during their daily tasks. Let's term this as AI learning paralysis. The longer you wait to figure that out, the further behind you fall, worsening the condition. But today, I'm going to push you to break free, take action, and move ahead from this particular state. Let's go. Here's the pattern that I see over and over again. Leaders feel that the pressure to stay ahead, so they keep consuming AI content, articles, courses, webinars, reports, following AI gurus. But the more they learn, the more overwhelmed they feel. Instead of taking action, they wait for the perfect moment. They think, I'll start when I fully understand AI, or when my organization will adopt it, they will somehow teach me as well. Except that moment will never come. And if it does, you will be behind. Meanwhile, the leaders who started experimenting, even with small tasks, are already ahead. Not because they know more, but because they have taken action. So the real question isn't, are you learning about AI? The real question is, are you doing something with it and experimenting with it? So here's how you break free from the AI learning paralysis today. Not next week, not next quarter, but right now. Step 1. Pick up one tool and use it more often than what you were using it yesterday. That's all that you should focus on. Instead of trying to learn 20 different AI tools, just pick one. Test it out with real work tasks and don't just watch tutorials. A good use case of these examples would be ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly AI, or Claude AI. And here's a within the video challenge. Before you close this video, open an AI tool and use it for one task that you weren't using it for yesterday. No excuses, just think and act. Step 2. Set a 10-minute AI experiment frequency for yourself in your calendar. You see, most leaders overcomplicate AI. It's just another tool. Instead, just commit 10 minutes to test an AI feature. Put it into your calendar itself, and if not daily, then at least once in 3 days. An example of this 10-minute AI challenge would look something like this. Maybe you're picking up ChatGPT as a tool. You might be already using it to summarize reports, draft emails, generate ideas. But next day, take a step ahead and see how you can generate better prompts for the same tasks. Tweak it and see what output comes out. Next day, see if you can feed to the GPT's memory to improve its behavior in future, so you don't have to retype everything. Next day, take a picture of a diagram and upload it into GPT and ask what prompts can be given to reproduce this data in this format. Then you don't have to stop thinking about prompts. Next week, take a step ahead to create a custom GPT in the paid version. Pay only for a month maybe to experiment with it. See what input and output can it generate with different personas. Where in your workflow can you include a custom GPT to speed up your output without worrying about prompts at all? How custom GPT helps your team to learn something on their own instead of you trying to teach them. Next week, take a leap ahead. Using an automation tool like make.com to integrate ChatGPT. Spend maybe $5 there and activate that account. It will last you forever for an experiment. Why integration and API keys are the gateway for building incredible things using ChatGPT. You get the idea, right? Build it like a ladder for at least a few weeks with the same tool. Step 3. Teach someone what you have learned. The fastest way to master AI? Teach somebody else. If you learn something useful, share it with your team, like what I'm doing here. Send one AI tip to your team every Friday. Lead a short 5-minute AI demo in your next meeting. Or pair up with a Gen Z employee and spar with them on exchanging AI insights. Maybe come up with a prompt challenge. Alright, no more overthinking. Here's your AI breakthrough challenge, starting right now. Pick one AI tool and use it deeply for a real task today than what you were using it for yesterday. Set up a 10-minute AI experiment every day or at least weekly in your calendar. Step 3. Share one AI tip with your team member or colleagues over these experiments. I'm sure you've heard this 100 times. AI won't be replacing you, but if you don't learn how to use it well, a leader who is better at it will replace you. So forget about Netflix and Amazon Prime for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Spend that money on one tool and go slightly deeper into it over a period of time. Your future self will thank you for taking this 1 month to harness this really important skill that is surrounding all of us today. And hopefully, that future self will thank me too for giving you this nudge. But right now, in this very present, you can do that by hitting that like button and subscribing for more such strong nudges, because that's all that we need from time to time. You see, this channel is made to give actionable steps on becoming a better leader. No philosophy, simple steps to focus on transforming yourself. Let me know what do you plan to experiment with, and if you need any guidance on where to start from, hit me in the comments. I'm no AI expert, but I'm sure I can share some suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.